Oh my God, look what the cat dragged in. Living my life, the city is sin. A night rolls up and I do it again. Oh my God, look what the cat dragged in. That's right. Welcome back, motherfuckers. And I'm happy to see you all. It's been a long time. And you're probably thinking, why the hell am I talking like this? It's because I want to. It's been, I don't know, a few weeks without a video. And you're probably thinking, oh, he dead. I'm not dead. I'm just busy and just couldn't give a fuck about doing videos at the moment. But I'm feeling like maybe I could do a little something. Shit, look at that. I'm looking all tired and worn out and crap. Look like I've been in the ring with Mike Tyson. Look at that. Bang, bang. But I'm still standing. That's what Elton John said anyway. So, what brings me here to you? Very good question, and I'm so happy that you asked. I'm here to do some scrap. Of course, I'm here to do some bloody scrap. Goodness sake. And what am I going to scrap? I got a bucket full of aircon reverse valves. A full bucket. And I'm going to show you how to scrap one of these things. Now keep in mind, I have learned how to scrap one of these things from somebody else. And that particular person was called Simple Man. Now he posted a video how to do one of these quite a while ago now. And I've accumulated a bucket full of them. And I thought, what the hell? Let's just give it a go. I'm going to scrap one of these things, or maybe I'm going to scrap the whole bucket and I can get clean, number one, well not number one, just clean brass for the bloody thing. How about that? So, the children already there, the children already there. Shit. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, I'm going to show you this bucket of reverse valves. Well, that's what they call them apparently. So let's have a look at that. Well, look at what we got here. And this is what we're talking about. A bucket of this shit. Reversing or reverse valves, okay? Now my friend, he does air conditioners and he just called them German grenades. No, they don't explode. But I thought I'd just get the real name so I can talk technical jargon with you. Although I'm not very technical, god damn it. So, we're gonna, oh look at this. Mamma mia! We're gonna get scrapping these, okay? And I'm not gonna do the whole bucket for y'all because I don't need you to watch me do the whole bucket for however many hours it's gonna take, alright? But we're going to do a little bit of a demo and we're going to show you how it's done based on what I've seen from somebody else. So, oh yeah, copycat, that's right, you can call me copycat, that's fine. Now, one thing that he probably didn't do, okay, or maybe he did, I don't know, I don't remember, it was quite a while ago now, is you can, whoa, damn, you can see this bit of steel and it's stuck on there pretty good. Now I've tried bashing these off with a chisel and I had no luck. So what I've done is, or what I will do is, I'm going to get the grinder, going to cut on an angle from this side, cut on an angle from that side, and that will come off. And this part here that's connected or stuck inside there, I will be selling that as Coast Brass. But all the rest, all the rest here, once I've stripped it all, is going to be number one, well, clean brass, and we all going to be sitting very pretty, and we all going to be happy, and everything's going to be A-OK. So, let's get scrapping. Now with my renewed vigor, or whatever you want to call it, if that's even a word, I'm going to show you the tools of the trade. And again, I got this American accent thing going. Don't worry about it, okay? It just works for me. I like it, but it kicks in when I feel like it, okay? Because I got a multi-personality and I can be a little bit crazy sometimes, and I just like it because it kind of gets me all excited and stuff. So the tools of a trade is, we got this, and I got a smaller one, although I bought these many years ago. I mean, when I bought these things, I was like wearing nappies. Not really. I was like maybe 20 years old, okay? 20 years old. And they've had me for served me well. I mean, I haven't used them for 20 years. They only gave me, well, okay, I used them a little bit when I was 20, and I bought them when I was about 20 years old, because I was kind of like into scrapping then, but nothing like this. And apart from that, a little bit of usage that I gave them, they just sat around. But we've found them, and we can bring them back to life. A bit of CPR. Ready? Clear! They're alive again. So, not only that, we got these things here, okay? This thing here, okay? And a little one of that one. So we got a mama, and we got a daddy, okay? Big. Or maybe we got a daddy and a kid. Whatever. Right? Hot damn. So, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna get this out, okay? You can't even see what I'm looking at because I hold it down here. What's the good of that? Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Let's do it together. So I'm just gonna hold this thing here. We're gonna open that up. Struggling just a little bit too while we're at it. Struggling. There we go. That's what we want. Ouch. Come on, don't be shy now. That's what we want. Great. Now, take that out. Okay, so this thing here, Coast Brass. Why is it Coast Brass? Because it's got steel on it, right y'all? So brass with steel attached is called Coast Brass. Isn't that great? I couldn't agree more. Fantastic. In the Coast Brass bucket. It goes over there. Boogie. Right. So, bit of copper here. Copper strands on here are quite long actually. Maybe I should cut them off. That's a very good idea. Yes, great suggestion. I'm going to cut them off, and I'm just going to reposition the camera. That position looks unreal. Amazing. And I'm standing up. Everything's on air cons here, stacked up. This is my table, my workbench. Make sure you got glasses on. You don't want little tiny sand granules of copper and brass in your eyes either. It ain't pretty. I've had it happen before and I had to get it out. Wonderful. Copper. This will go. Ow, there's a hot. And it's going to go in another bucket. Ow, that burns. Thank you very much. So, now what we saw my friend Simple Man do. And I thought, oh yeah, that's how they do it, hey? I never knew that. I never knew that. But now I do. Although I've known it for a while now, because it was a little while ago that he did this video. So, I reckon we can use the... Is it going to be that size? Oh yeah. Yes sir. That's looking good. Real good. Clamped on here. Spin it. And as it's spinning, tighten as you go. Spin it. Look at that. Spin it. Tighten. Spin it. Tighten. Just keep your finger. And as you spin it, tighten as you go. I can feel it. It's happening. Magic. Come on, don't be shy now. There we go. There we go. Amazing. Now, it's one of them, huh? Right. So, for goodness sake, unorganized. Wait a second, I gotta get something. Well, I got what I needed, but nonetheless, it's still not the right size. Now, these can be all slightly different on the inside. This will not pull out as it is. Rightio, and on the end, there are screws. And I don't have the little screw. This thing here is not even the right bloody size, rightio. So, I have to do this side too. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Unreal. So, because I can't get these screws out, all I have to do basically is unscrew this, and then I can slide it out from the opposite end. But I don't have screws or a screwdriver big enough. It's hiding somewhere. I do have one, but it's hiding. So I'm going to cut this instead. Take that, goddammit. Take that. And that's not hot. That's not hot at all. What's going on? It's making a liar out of me. Making a liar. Don't do that. Please. This is making a liar. Here we go. There we go. Hey, voila. That will just go in my scrap steel bucket because it's not stainless. It's just steel. Okay. And a bit of steel. Oh, there it is. Down there. So, in the bucket it will go, and then we'll go about getting that bit of steel off as well. So now I'm going to grab my trusty vice grip things, pick this up, and hold it here. Grinder, yes, grinder again, I know, damn. So I'm going to get this on a slight angle, make a cut. little bit more. Looking good. Oop. Tell you what, but truth is, it probably could be deeper. Yeah, let's do it a bit deeper. Not even halfway. Better. There we have it. Clean. Ow. Burns. Clean brass. Look at that. That's great. Now instead of getting Coast Brass price for it, which was a measly $4, I don't know, $4.50 or something, now I can get clean brass for it and get $7.70 for it. That's gold. Real gold. And oh, it's over here. And up, that's hot. There we have it. Sweet as. Ow, ow, ow. And this goes in a steel bucket. Let's do another one, huh? This time without talking. Bore you with my dribble. So I'm going to cut the, you'll see what I'm going to do, right? Don't want to waste the copper. It's copper. Oh, things are flying. I never knew that steel nips had wings on them. I must have had some Red Bull. Shit flying everywhere. Oil. Shit flying everywhere. Everything's got Red Bull on them. Been drinking Red Bull. Everything. No screws, see? No screws. Right. Oil. shirt. Awesome. Oil. Now, like you saw, cut it. Right, and there we have it. More clean brass. Isn't that great? That is fantastic. Nothing like unlocking the full value of your brass when it's not clean. So that is that. And in the bucket of clean brass it will go. Absolutely amazing. And well, my friends, that brings us to the end of another incredible video that has been posted for a very long time, maybe a month. So I hope you enjoyed the spectacle. It was quite amazing, I'm sure it was. I'm sure some of you may have already knew what to do with that stuff. I thought I'd share it in case you're not on the Simple Man page. So that's my way of doing it. Well, I guess it's his way as well, because well, that's where I learned it from. So I'm going to wrap this up, because I'm going to head down to the ground, sit on a chair, and I'm going to keep on going for a little while before I head upstairs, have dinner, shower, and get ready to watch the football tonight, because I can't wait. So, peace out everyone. Like and subscribe if you can, if you want to. And have a great weekend. So, ciao for now, and we'll see you in another video whenever it comes, whenever I'm feeling motivated. Let's go. Ciao for now.